BlueOval SK is facing a lawsuit that accuses them of discrimination and wrongful termination. 6 employees from the company's battery plant in Hardin County filed the lawsuit. According to the complaint, the suit is seeking a jury trial and damages for the violation of the Kentucky Civil Rights Act through discrimination and retaliation, the violation of Kentucky public policy through wrongful termination, and workers' compensation retaliation. The plaintiffs have leveled a number of accusations against the company. They include a worker with one hand not being given specialized gloves and then moved to a different department, racial comments, different treatment based on sex, and more accusations. We'll take a closer look at the claims coming up on Wave News at 11.